Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Hell and You on guitar. Let's begin by learning the main chords for the song, which are G, C, and D. Focus on smooth transitions between these three chords, ensuring each note rings clearly. We'll also establish a basic strumming pattern to get you started, typically a down, up motion. Practice these fundamental elements before moving on. Now, let's dive into the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse often uses a simple G to C progression, sometimes adding a D. Pay close attention to the rhythm, keeping it steady and consistent. The pre-chorus builds tension with a slightly different chord sequence, perhaps moving to an M before returning to C and D. Practice these parts slowly to ensure accuracy and feel. Moving on to the chorus, this is where the song's energy really shines. The chorus typically features a strong G, C, and D progression, often with more aggressive strumming. The bridge offers a change of pace, sometimes introducing new chords or a different rhythm. It might use an AM or M to create a distinct feel. Focus on the dynamic shifts between these sections for impact. Finally, let's put all the pieces together to play the full song. Start by connecting the verse, pre-chorus, chorus, and bridge in sequence. Use a metronome to help maintain a consistent tempo throughout your practice. Begin at a slow speed, gradually increasing it as you become more comfortable. Remember, consistent practice is key to mastering Hell and You on your guitar.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.